Money over business.
Where your penny? I didn't get a close up on the card.
Money over business, man. Try to take a picture with me and shit, you know what I'm saying? Oh, 2 pennies. I get money. Money. Come on, man. Come on, y'all. I make it rain.
Hold on, no, leave a penny right there. I need to get a close up on the penny.
Look at that. See that 1 penny? Yeah.
And that right there is
that right there is the expected gadget goes sign your ass up on the motherfucking train. Hungry, hip ho.
Oh no, don't do that. That there is Antonio. You made it feel like you was broke on me. You got it upside down, you fool.
Yeah. It's nothing.
I bet it ain't. He spit the penny out. Oh my God, you gotta come on.
Oh shit.
Oh. Girl, you look so super duper retarded.